What up, guys? It's your boy Shaq, and it's another unboxing video with this Panini NBA Hoops Premium Stock 2019-2020 NBA Trading Cards. Zion Williamson right there. And we are going to unbox it and break it like we did last time. Last time was really fun. And before I start, I just want to show you guys my pull last time. This Kobe Bryant insert. It's from a Slam magazine cover. Winning is everything. That is a 2003 Slam magazine cover. And I think I'm going to grade this with PSA. And let's see how much is the value. So the value can go up. And we have another Laker legend over here, Shaq O'Neal. So another Slam magazine cover. 2001. So, because it's playoff basketball and a lot of people's rooting for the Lakers. All right, so let's go. Let's do this. All right, so this is a different box. This is a blaster box. They call this a blaster box. This is a different box compared to the one that we unboxed. As you can see, there are less cards, but there are premium stock. So there are 8 packs inside, 32 NBA cards inside, 4 cards per pack. This retails in Walmart's like $19 something, so plus stocks that's $20 something. But resale value can go up from $50 up to like 95 crazy amount of dollars. But I got this really cheap. I got this for $40 from an eBay seller. But still retail is like $20. We're gonna look for some blaster exclusive red prisms and some autographs, hot signature rookies, and hopefully we get a Jam Morant or a Zion Williams card. Alright, let's begin. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is the authentication plastic wrap Panini. Again, let me remind you guys, this is my newborn channel, so mostly mini 4-wheel drive. I'm not abandoning mini 4-wheel drive. It's just I'm so addicted to this shit lately. And a lot of people requesting my breakdown. Alright, so let's open this. As usual, that's your hashtag. Who do you collect? There you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs. Alright, so let's do this. Open the first pack. Let's see if it's lucky one. Here we go. First card. Danilo Gallinari. Alright. A veteran. OKC didn't make it to the playoffs. Next is another base card. That's Andrew Wiggins from Golden State Warriors. Alright, that's not bad. We're gonna do this for less. Oh, I see a shiny one back there. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh. Is that a legend? Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, this card is thick. We got a Shaquille O'Neal tribute card. Nice. So, there's another Shaq here. And we have a holo Andrew Wiggins. Same pack. Andrew Wiggins. That's not bad. I wish it's like a rookie card, but that's a Shaq right there. Okay. Next pack. I get excited with these prisms. It's my first prism. Ooh, there's a shiny holo in the back. Ooh, I'm already excited. Alright. First card, Colin Sexton. Sexton is really good. It's a second-year card. Prism silver. Next is Bogdon Bogdanovic. He's not in the Kings anymore, but it's a Bogdan Bogdanovic card. Next is from the Hornets. Let's see who's this. Malik Monk. We're not lucky lately. We are not lucky. Let's see if this one is lucky. Oops, Clippers. Clippers. It's not a rookie. Reggie Jackson. Oh, come on, man. He's on the Lakers now. He's on the Lakers. This is Prism Laser, I think. Not sure. Reggie Jackson. So still no luck. Still no luck. No rookie. No superstar. Oh man, these blasters are not giving me any lucky deals. Alright, I see it's for Miami Heat. Ooh, I thought it was Kendrick Nunn. Bam Adebayo. That's an all-star. So I'll take it. Next would be from the New York Knicks. Give me RJ Barrett. Give me Angie. It's Mitchell Robinson. Damn. There's no luck. No luck. No luck. No luck for now. See, it could be bad. It could be good. It's been bad. Come on. Cavaliers. Ooh, is that a rookie? Yep, it's a rookie card. Dylan Windler. I'll take it. I'll take a rookie card. Alright, and then the next card. Are you a rookie? Brooklyn Nets. Kyrie Irving. Kyrie? Are you Kyrie? Kyrie? No, it's Jaren Allen, and he's not even there anymore. But it's a city edition, so it's not bad. Let me sleeve the rookie. No good pulls. Only Shaq for now. Let's leave Shaq too. We can protect it. No lucky prism yet. How many packs we got left? Alright, next. Come on, give me some good pulls now. Detroit Pistons right here. Ooh. Blake Griffin. He got traded to the Brooklyn Nets. Another superstar. Toronto Raptors. Who's this? Fred VanVleet. Okay, this is my first Fred VanVleet card. I like that. I like that. I'll take it. That's good. Another Toronto Raptor. Siakam. Terrence Davis. A rookie card. Alright. We'll take the rookie again. But the last card is... Ooh, that's Holo. From Thunder. Diallo. Oh, a lot of rising stars that we are getting. Not too shabby. But at least we got some rookies right here. Terrence Davis. Right there. So, 2 rookies. No luck still. You know what? I'll go in the bottom. Let's see. Be good to me. Come on, Zion. Give me some good shit. Alright. Come on, basketball gods. Minnesota Timberwolves. Malik Beasley. Damn, man. No luck at all. Another guy from Minnesota Timberwolves. Josh Okogie. Good. There you go. Josh Okogie. I like him. So that's another good card. Next would be from the Pelicans. Oh, come on, Zion. Are you a rookie card? Ooh, are you a rookie card? No, Jackson Hayes. Rookie card, but it's Jackson Hayes. I'll take it. Alright. Next would be... Ooh, Grizzlies. Oh, come on. Let's go, John Morant. Let's go, Grizzlies. Grizzlies. Kyle Anderson. Damn it, Kyle. Good. You know that I collect Grizzlies card. And it's a holo card. So, nice. This is my second Kyle Anderson card. And it's a holo card. So, love it. That's a win for me already. Because I got a Grizzly card. Alright, it's looking good right now. Put it on the side right here. And then, of course, we'll get the rookie. Ooh, I thought that was Ja. But it's a slow-mo. They call him slow-mo. They just played against the Jazz last time. Alright, next card. Come on, give me some Zion or something, you know? Something really awesome. Alright. Brooklyn Nets. Kyrie, finally. Something good. Alright, so I got a star right here. It's Kyrie Irving. Let me sleeve you. This is Kyrie's my favorite player. I got Markelle Fultz next. Alright, Kyrie, where are you going? Which pile? Which pile are you going? I'm going with Kobe and everybody. Alright, Michael Fultz is alright. Let's make a comeback. Thunder. Who's in Thunder? That is good that year. I don't know. Dort. Lugnets Dort. I can't even pronounce his name. But he's another rookie. So we'll leave that. And then look at this. Ooh, Joe Harris. Green Prism right here. Joe Harris from Brooklyn Nets. He's the only one left. He's the only one left on that Brooklyn Nets team that was with Jared Allen and everybody. Okay, so that's one good pull too. And then we have this rookie right here. Dort. I've seen him play. He's alright. Alright, rookie cards. I got 2 packs left. Still no Zion. Still no Ja. Hopefully I get good pulls. Or else this is going to be a whack video. I'll still post it though. Next would be... Come on, be kind with me. Cavaliers. Oh my god. Matthew Dellavedova. How many cards I have with this Matthew guy? Portland. Alright. Give me some good in Portland. Good one. Trevor Ariza. Man, another vet. Alright. Next. Kobe White. Ooh, is that a rookie card? Is that a rookie card? Yes, it is. Alright, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're finally talking. So we got Kobe White, a tribute card. That's good. That's good. Rookie card too. Let's see this one. Alright, New Orleans. I'm not breeding right now. See, don't jinx it. It's a rookie card. Brandon Ingram. God damn it! I thought it was Zion. Oh well. Let's have one more pack left. One more pack left. I'm starting to have no faith with the Blasters anymore. All right, at least I got Kobe White rookie card. That will at least maybe $10 or something. Right here. And then I got Ingram. I mean, it's still a hollow card, so that's still good. Alright, last pack of the 8 packs. I'm not so lucky with this blaster pack. Lakers. Who's in the Lakers? Avery Bradley. I like him, but I want to see more. Maybe Kyle Kuzma would be better. Avery Bradley, another vet. Nets. Brooklyn Nets. We had Kyrie already. Tyler Johnson. Man, I have no luck. Thunder. Another rookie. Darius Baisley. And for our last card, it's a courtside Luka Doncic. Here we go. There you go. Yay! Alright, Luka. But it's a second year. It's not a rookie card, but I don't care. Because that just made my day. Alright, finally. A good one. There's a good one. Alright, so again, let me remind you guys, you can collect whatever card you want. But, you know, the rookies and the crazy holographic cards are the ones who will be more valuable if you're trying to resell it. But that's how it goes. I would not say this is a win-win, but we got it for cheap from that eBay seller. So it's not that bad. So let's do a recap. Let's do some recap. So there's 32 cards in total. Let's recap this. I call them my base cards, like the nobody cards. I mean, they're not famous yet. Tyler Johnson. Avery Bradley, veteran. Trevor Ariza, veteran. Matthew Dellavedova, veteran. Malik Monk. Bogdon Bogdanovic. Not the Bogdan Bogdanovic from Utah. Alright, so Andrew Wiggins. He's not that bad. Danilo Gallinari. Vet. Markel Fultz. Malik Beasley. Hamdou Diallo. It's a hollow card, but he's not really a bona fide player yet. But it's a hollow card. So maybe I'll sleeve it. I'll sleeve it just to protect it, you know. I won't be mean to him. I won't be mean to you. I won't be mean to you, Diallo. Alright, right there. And then Mitchell Robinson from New York Knicks. Alright, so those are the cards. Alright, the next would be this one. This is Jared Allen, NBA City Edition. Reggie Jackson. And then Andrew Wiggins. I must leave Andrew Wiggins too. Because it's not that bad. You know, former number 1 pick. And if these were Jamorants, this would be more valuable. But because they are not, so they are not. Alright, next would be this All-Star stack. Kyrie Irving. I will consider Josh Okogie because he's a rising star. I still like him. Fred VanVleet, Blake Griffin, Bam Adebayo, and Colin Sexton. That's how I separate things. And we got our rookies. Darius Bazley. Kobe White is the biggest pull out on that stack. Dort, Jackson Hayes, Terrence Davis, and Dylan Windler. So the most valuable one is Kobe White. So that's a win right there. And our last two, I think, would be most valuable of them all, is the Shaquille O'Neal tribute card. And the courtside card, which is Luka Doncic, right there. Second year player, number 14. So I'll check the value of this. Comment below. Should I just keep this, or maybe I should sell it. It depends how my wife wants it because she's collecting Luka. Alright, so this is Shell Shock. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like. Peace out. Keep collecting. Peace.